So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can change your wired earphone into a wireless earphone without breaking your budget, and we are going to start right now. Okay, what's up guys, my name is Earphones, and if you're new here, we do tech reviews, tips and tricks, but also amazing tech tutorials. So consider subscribing for more content like this one. And jumping in today's video, we have got this gadget. Yeah, this one. This is a audio input and input Bluetooth device that can help you transfer your audio from one point to another without any wired connection. So it is so cheap, as I said before. The price starts from $5 up to $7 on many of online stores such as Amazon, AliExpress and more, and the links will be in the description below. I have been using it for almost 2 weeks now, and for how much does it cost, it performs really good. The amazing audio quality, battery life is also good, and also a strong connection. For the part of connection, it stays connected within 10 meters, and if you go above that, the connection is lost, and it takes 45 minutes to charge it full battery, and also the battery life is 1 hour up to 1.25 hours, depending on how much sound volume are you listening to. But before buying this thing, there are 3 things that you have to know, and I'll mention them later in this video, so stay tuned and keep watching till the end. Okay guys, so now let's check how can we connect and use this guy. Connecting it is so easy. Just you have to turn it on and turn on Bluetooth connection on your device, and it appears as Bluetooth. Tap to connect, and boom, they have a wireless connection. So now from there you can plug in your headphones or earphones on this gadget using this 3.5mm earphone jack, and you can listen all of your music from your smartphone wirelessly. And also you can plug this gadget on your car radio, also home theater or subwoofer at home. So now let's jump into the 3 things that you have to know before buying this gadget. The first one is when you've answered a call, the mic that you have to use is not the mic from your smartphone or the mic from your headphones, but it's the mic from this one, the built-in mic on this gadget. And second one is when you have turned on Bluetooth connection on your device, you can turn on Wi-Fi connection, so this guy gets interrupted when the Wi-Fi network is on, so you have to choose which one should be active at that moment. So the third one is you can't use this gadget while it's on charge, so you have to charge it first and then use it. And that's it guys, how you can change any wired earphone into a wireless earphone by using this guy. So thanks for watching, catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. See you in the next one.